In this video, I want to show how you can use a laser to do different things with clocks. Here's one of the first things I did with this F2 laser is on the back plate of a tall clay clock I'm building. I wanted to, engrave my name into it. So you can see here these graphics. I did some of these graphics utilizing AI when you see the scroll pattern that comes out. And just put this on the back of the plate. You can see this can give you a deep etch in this brass. It looks kind of copperish because you're looking through the protective glass on the laser. But the settings are tricky. It's a lot of work to make sure the frequencies are right, what the power levels, and how many layers. And what it basically does is you take a grayscale image, and on that grayscale, it equates the depth of the gray to a z-axis change. So it sits there and works its way down. I think this cut was 256 different layers. Now it takes time. This is probably an hour or so elapsed time that you see going on here. It also does generate a good amount of heat. So it is getting hot as you sit there and etch away. And you can see the fine powder, so you really need good air cleaning on this. You can see that's a polish pass that you do at the end, and really brightens these things up. That's finished. So here you can see what it looks like on the clock. And I think it gave a nice look. I'm pleased with how it came out. But something that would be really tough to do by hand. I know I don't have that kind of capability. Now another thing I thought was cutting the spokes out on a wheel. So here you can see this is a wheel for a motion work on a banjo clock I'm working on. And it's a pretty small wheel right here. That's a 0.6 modulus tooth. So I cut the tooth, fixtured it, but you can see it does a nice job. You can see here's all the different wheels blanked out. Another thing I thought is using it to cut springs. This is spring steel, which is hard to cut. So I'm using this as you can see on the tall case. This was another application, kind of an odd one, where I'm actually using it to have pushers on the date and the moon. So when you open the door to the case, you're going to be able to advance those. But you can see the nice design I put with the sun and the moon. But anyways, hope this gives you some ideas of why I think this laser, I'm glad that I've got it now. I'm going to continue to experiment and figure out if there's more I can do. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it gave you some ideas. Take care.